Your post-holiday travel plans involve driving in Iowa tomorrow. State officials are warning that roads could be slick. They say the combination of cold temperatures, rain and snow could cause black ice. The Iowa DOT is urging drivers to wait until Monday to go anywhere if possible. Crews have a game plan to keep the roads as clear as possible. Hundreds of plows across the state, they're ready to go. Plus, the Iowa DOT will begin laying salt once temperatures drop.
Black ice is very difficult to detect for travelers. It's also a big, huge material user for us. So we need to be out there. We need to time things just right so that we're out there treating at the appropriate time and that our efforts are not, as I mentioned, washed away from the rain.
The Iowa State Patrol says to keep your gas tank full and make sure you have necessities in your car if you are traveling tomorrow. We're taking this storm seriously on KCCI. It's a weather impact day tomorrow, Jason, and you're tracking this storm, what time it's going to hit and what areas are going to be the hardest hit.
Yeah, absolutely. And I mean, bullseye's been set up on northern Iowa, and I don't see a reason to move that. You can see where 2 to 4 inches of snow will fall up for portions of Kossuth County, Webster City area, eastward towards Waterloo. I wouldn't be surprised to see some locally higher amounts once you get up closer to the Minnesota border, but fairly broadly 2 to 4 inches across that area. That'll drop to 1 to 2 inches as you get towards the metro. But again, as we typically see with storms of this magnitude that carry the strong winds, it may be difficult to measure that snow because of blowing and drifting snow as well. So if you go out with a ruler into your front yard and put it in the snow, well, you may have gotten this much snow. Problem is, it might have been blown around a little bit, so it may not be an accurate measurement out there. But as we look at where we sit right now, we've got overcast skies, some shower activity trying to push its way on in. Another look at the blizzard warning we have got that includes Kossuth County. It is going to go all the way to the east, also including Emmett County, Winnebago, Cerro Gordo. So a pretty broad area where we're seeing that, and that expands all the way up into Minnesota. So if you do have plans to try and drive north on 35 to Minneapolis tomorrow, probably not a good idea, as we're going to be seeing this for much of the day, and that is going to make for really, really difficult travel conditions the further north you get on 35 in Iowa, and really the whole rest of the way as you trek your way towards Minneapolis. Winter weather advisories across much of the rest of northern Iowa and off to the west as well. Snowfall totals drop a little bit as you get further to the south. But again, even an inch of snow with winds upwards of 50 miles per hour, that's going to lead to some issues at times. So tracking this out, 3:30, have the showers off to the south. Those are only going to intensify, and we'll likely even see a period where that colder air is rushing in, and we see a transition to a mix that could lead to any rain that's down on the roads, freezing and creating very slick conditions. And then the snow makes its way on in, and that's going to be with us into Sunday evening. By 10:30, a lot of that has stopped falling in the metro and through southern portions of the state, but that'll carry on into Monday morning. And even if we don't see snow falling Monday morning, with the winds that we'll have, we will likely continue to see some blowing snow and even some drifting snow in spots. You can see just how strong these winds are. We could see gusts upwards of 50 miles per hour. You can see Iowa Falls at 8:30 tomorrow night has that. Those strong winds carry throughout the overnight into your Monday morning before eventually tapering back by Monday afternoon. This also means much colder air is going to be sliding in. We'll have wind chills fading throughout the day on Sunday. Really, the warmest air you'll feel on Sunday is going to be the early morning. Temperatures are going to drop throughout the day and bottom out by Monday morning. We could see 20 below wind chills through northern portions of the state and below zero wind chills through the entire state. So stay safe out there. And if you are driving around, which I don't think you should be, make sure you throw a couple extra blankets in the car in case you get stuck. Again, we are weather impact for you tomorrow because of that storm. And then the cold settles in. 19 on Monday. We're back above freezing by Tuesday.